Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Kia Optima front seats. Before you begin, gather your tools like a socket wrench set and a trim removal tool. Safety first. Always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Then, slide the front seat all the way forward to give yourself better access to the rear mounting bolts. This preparation makes the rest of the process much smoother. Now, let's tackle those mounting bolts. You'll find two bolts at the front of the seat rails. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove them. Once those are out, slide the seat all the way to the rear. This will reveal the two remaining bolts at the front of the seat rails. Remove these as well, keeping all four bolts in a safe place for when you reinstall the seat later. With the bolts removed, it's time to disconnect the electrical components. Gently tilt the seat backward or to the side to expose the wiring harness underneath. You'll see several connectors. Carefully press the release tabs and unclip each one. Take your time here to avoid damaging any wires or connectors. Ensure all connections, including those for airbags or seat heaters, are completely free. Finally, with all bolts and electrical connections completely disconnected, you're ready to remove the seat. Carefully lift the seat out of the vehicle. It can be a bit heavy and awkward, so consider having a second person help you. Be extra careful not to scratch any interior trim or the door frame as you maneuver the seat out. Place the seat in a safe, clean area until you're ready to reinstall it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.